Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to watch Premier League on Showmax. So this is very important. First of all, choose subscription, choose the right plan. I'm sure you will be able to visit the website, that's why I'm not showing here. I will show you the methods first. To access live Premier League matches, you need to the Showmax Pro mobile plan. This plan allows streaming of all Premier League's games along with any other sports content. Pricing could be depending upon where you're located, right? Approximate it's around $4 to $5. So download this Showmax app for your device app store, available on both Android and iOS. Create an account by entering your email address and password. You may also provide a phone number for verification. After registration, visit the Showmax website to select your subscription plan and enter your payment details. Right now, the streaming on devices, it is available on mobile access, quality option, picture-in-picture mode, and once subscribed, open the Showmax app and navigate to the sports section to view live matches and highlights. Select the match you want to watch and tap to start streaming. You can only stream on one device at a time. If you log in one another device, it will log out of the on the first one. So this is it. This is one of the limitation, but I hope you found this video very useful.